Hey guys, I've just gotten in from Taekwondo. I'm gonna keep this really short. I'm getting ready to share a song with you called Tennessee Rain. It's from my country album, which is known as Shades of Green. It's by the band that I created, Tennessee Rain, and I believe that the song Tennessee Rain is track number 8 on that album. I will also be including the full lyrics for the song that you'll be able to read. And you can also download the album on iTunes, Tennessee Rain, Shades of Green. You can also stream it on Spotify, Pandora, and multiple other streaming platforms. Okay, I love you guys, and I hope you're going to enjoy this song, Tennessee Rain, by Tennessee Rain.
I've wandered many miles in my life, lonely without friend or wife. Stood alone in empty doorways, cold English rain coming down. I felt so far, so very far away from home. Found myself at the side of the road, waiting for a ride. Just a mercy lift to take me home, wondering who's on my side. I don't have a home. I look into the sky. Tennessee rain fills my eyes. I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain, a torrent of blue emotion that caused me to cry and pray. I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain. Is my heart healing? Should I believe in a brighter day? I now look down at my empty hands, her fingerprints fade away. She used to hold me very tight, but now it's black as night. I used to play in the Arkansas rain. I've seen the pain of the Texas floods, the sweet rains of New Mexico youth, California showers in my teenage years. Everything has changed. Oh, I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain, a torrent of blue emotion that caused me to cry and pray. I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain. Is my heart healing? Should I believe in a brighter day? Black clouds following me, dark clouds gather, swelling around me. The pressure is building, I know it's gonna burst. That's all I can hope for, a deluge in my life. Oh love, please Tennessee rain on me. Let your sunshine burn on through. If I have enough faith to see this through, will hope replace the gloom? Just a little to hold on to, that's all I ask. Maybe just one flower to spread open her blooms. I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain, a torrent of new emotion that causes me to pray. I'm being washed away by the Tennessee rain. I think my heart is finally healing. I believe I'm gonna see a brighter day.